Hi everyone, Hannah here. My partner Emily and I looked at the creative tool Kidblog. I want to tell you, getting started, I kind of had a little trouble. I had to utilize their help resources, which are very helpful. I'm just going to give you a quick, brief overview of that before I show you what I created. So, teacher, it really tells you exactly like start here. There's an overview, how to set it up, how to invite students, how to create and publish, what a student's portfolio looks like, all that. The nice thing with everything was like there's step directions with videos. I personally learn better once I see it, so it was very helpful to me. But now I'm gonna go back and log in and show you what I did. So I created a class, but it's the same idea if it were a student creating this as well. So I have 2 posts in here already, and before I show you, I did that mainly so you could kind of get an idea of what someone's kid blog would look like if there were tons of posts in there, but now I'm going to kind of show you how to create a post. So the title, the task may be favorite ice cream flavor. They'd put the title in there. They'd be able to pick from an image. So there's avatars here. So there's all sorts of different pictures they can pick from. Then there's pictures just for the heading. Maybe we can look through and see if there is an ice cream one. I'm not sure if there's going to be. I might just pick something fun for the sake of time. So you would hit it, and then over here you'll hit insert. It comes right up. I won't write about it in here. Mint chocolate chip. I'm only going to write that, but you would definitely encourage your students to write more than one line. I want to point out all this fun stuff that you can do down here. You can pick, they have tons of colors to choose from, so you can pick a color. Then you can pick a background texture, so there's all different things to pick from. You can change your fonts as well. Something I didn't point out up here is I'd be able to upload a picture in here, so maybe that might be where I put a picture of mint chocolate chip or anything else. You can also embed a Google Doc, so maybe, or something from Google Drive, so maybe you had your students do a survey and ask other students if they like mint chocolate chips. So you could insert like a graph or whatnot. And you can also insert different hyperlinks and, all sorts of the sizes, colors, formatting are there. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this just to give you a quick idea. So I'd hit publish. This is the one thing I really kind of liked. You can pick who your audience would be. Do you want this posted just so your teacher could see it? Do you want it posted just so your classmates can see it? On Kidblog, you can have different connections, or do you want it to be public? Anyone could check it out. So I'm just going to hit classmates. There's publish. My post is published. And once the post is published, there's a spot where students can leave other comments. So you might also encourage your students to comment on other people's posts. So here I have 3 examples of different blogs. I'll show you this one. Weekend roundup. So they might have the task to come in and talk about what they did for the weekend. And I went and visited my puppy, so there's some pictures there. I talked about what I did, what he was doing. There's that one. And then maybe you give them the task to write about their favorite season, so they can write about that. There's a spot for them to comment. It is a really neat tool, so I do encourage you all to check it out. The one bummer is that it is not free. You can try it for 30 days, but after that you either need to sign up for an individual teacher account, which it says get 3 months free, and then you have a 12-month membership for $39, or if it's a whole grade level or your whole school or whole district, they have those options too. Like I said, I definitely encourage everyone to check it out. It is a neat tool that gives students the opportunity to kind of add pictures, write about different topics, and kind of do their own thing with having guidelines. And thanks for watching.